Hey, advanced math gentlemen, I gave you this practice page today uh, to practice finding the zeros and maybe putting some things on a graph. That's come to my attention now that I took a closer look at it. Now, this was pretty hasty this morning when I was in good shape, not in good shape. But there's a skill required for number 4 and also number 6 that we don't have yet. We're going to have to get that skill in the coming days. So I apologize for that. I can show you if you like, but you won't need it for the quiz tomorrow. I'll just eliminate those. It's a way of finding the zeros that's not quite factoring. And I'll show you that in the coming days. But these other ones, we should have been able to factor, find the zeros, set the factor equal to 0, the polynomial equal to 0, and then this one does easily factor. Put an x in each. The factors of 8 would be -4 and +2. Because the outer product is 2x, the inner product is -4x, and they combine to be -2x. So that's factored. Set each factor equal to 0, x equal 4. That's one of the zeros. X plus 2 equals 0, x is -2. That's another 0. The factor, we just did it. X minus 4, x plus 2. As to graph it, this one is up. It has zeros 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and -2. So pass it right through there. It makes a parallel. I wanted to see that. 2, once again, set the polynomial equal to 0, and it looks like this one factors 2x and x. That's going to have to be 5 and 3. Let's see. How about 3 here and 5 here? We need one more negative. So if we go outer product, that'll be -6x. The inner product will be +5x. Their difference is -1. So we get that middle term. Set each factor equal to 0. 2x plus 5 equals 0. 2x is -5. X is -5 halves. And x minus 3 equals 0. So x equals 3. The factor form, we just had it there. 2x plus 5. X minus 3. Now, -5 halves is -2.5-ish. Okay, they're right there. -5 halves. +3. And we just pass right through. Remember what to do when we, oops, I missed that one. We have multiplicity. We found these zeros in the multiplicity of something different than 1. Then we pass through or bounce at those zeros when we graph. Next one looks like it'll factor. I'll try it. Let's try 3x and 4x. First times first equals 12x squared. And the 20 is going to have to be 4 and 5. So put the 4 here and the 5 here, both positive. So my outer product is 15x. My inner product 16x for a total of 31x. So that's factored. So the zeros would be -4 thirds and -5 fourths. We set each of those equal to 0. Leave it in factor form right here. 3x plus 4, 4x plus 5. On the graph, -4 thirds. Well, that's -1 1/3, maybe right there. -4 thirds. And -5 fourths. That's -1 and a. Which one is that? That's -1 and a fourth. It's right next to it. -5 fourths, 1 4th, and 1 1/3. That's tight. All right, but we're definitely going to be pointed up. Something like that. Again, this number 4. If you'd like me to show you, I think I'll just wait and show you how to find the zeros without really factoring, and when we do that lesson and without spoiling it. So skip 4, skip 6. Let's knock out number 5. Once again, number 5, it looks like they have a common factor of x, leaves behind x squared minus 9. The x squared minus 9 factors as x plus 3, x minus 3. So that's factored. X plus 3, x minus 3. The zeros, if I set each of those equal to 0, the zeros would be, let's see, x equals 0, x equal negative 3, and for that one, x equal positive 3. 0, negative 3, positive 3. Put those on the number line, on the x-axis, the intercepts. I need a 0, I need a negative 3, and I need a positive 3. This end behavior, our standard form tells us end behavior is going to be up this way and down this way. And I got to pass straight through those zeros. So jump over that, have a turn, come straight through, no multiplicity, straight through. That's it for today. Hope to be with you tomorrow so we can have that quiz. Certainly be ready for it. I think I might, if I'm not there, maybe I get the sub to do it. Email me if you need me. Thank you.